Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy cooking techniques that you can easily incorporate into your kitchen routine. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, these simple and nutritious methods will help you create delicious meals that nourish your body and satisfy your taste buds. So let's get cooking. First on our list of healthy cooking techniques is steaming. Steaming is a gentle cooking method that preserves the natural flavors, colors, and nutrients of foods without the need for added fats or oils. To steam vegetables, simply bring a pot of water to a boil. Place a steamer basket over the water and add your vegetables. Cover and steam until tender crisp, which usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the vegetable. Steaming is perfect for cooking a variety of vegetables, from broccoli and carrots to cauliflower and green beans, while retaining their nutritional value and vibrant colors. Next up, we have grilling. Grilling is a fantastic way to add flavor to your dishes without the need for excess fats or oils. Whether you're using a gas grill, charcoal grill, or indoor grill pan, grilling imparts a smoky, charred flavor to foods that can't be beaten. To grill vegetables, simply toss them with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper, then place them directly on the grill. Cook until tender and charred, flipping occasionally for even cooking. Grilled vegetables make a delicious addition to salads, sandwiches, and grain bowls, and they're packed with smoky flavor and nutrients. Now let's talk about baking. Baking is a versatile cooking technique that allows you to cook a wide variety of foods with minimal added fats or oils. From proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu to vegetables, grains, and even desserts. The possibilities are endless. To bake salmon, preheat your oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees. Season the salmon fillets with your favorite herbs and spices and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Baking is a healthy and convenient way to cook proteins as it requires minimal hands-on time and yields tender, flavorful results. Next, let's explore sautéing. Sautéing involves cooking food quickly in a small amount of oil or butter over high heat. It's a great way to add flavor and texture to dishes while preserving the natural taste and nutrients of the ingredients. To sauté garlic, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat, add minced garlic, and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant and golden brown. You can then add vegetables, proteins, or grains to the skillet and cook until tender and caramelized. Sautéing is perfect for preparing stir-fries, pasta dishes, and side dishes in a flash. Lastly, let's not forget about blending. While not technically a cooking method, blending is an excellent way to create healthy and nutritious smoothies packed with fruits, vegetables, and other wholesome ingredients. To make a green smoothie, simply combine leafy greens like spinach or kale, frozen fruits like bananas or berries, a liquid base like almond milk or coconut water, and optional add-ins like protein powder, nut butter, or chia seeds in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy, and enjoy a refreshing and nutrient-packed beverage that's perfect for breakfast or a midday snack. And there you have it, 5 healthy cooking techniques that anyone can master in their kitchen. Whether you're steaming, grilling, baking, sautéing, or blending, these methods allow you to create delicious and nutritious meals that support your health and well-being. Which cooking technique are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more cooking tips, recipes, and kitchen inspiration. Until next time, happy and healthy cooking!